We all want superpowers to keep contamination out of the clean room.
Light shines bright down on the city. Gonna find my baby.
But in reality,
If I can't tonight.
there are no superpowers. Or are there? Let us introduce you to the real guardians of the clean room that will give you those superpowers. The SAFE-T-IMOP, the most effective way to clean room floors, reducing contamination risks while easing the workload on cleaners. It delivers superior results with minimal effort, making clean room maintenance more efficient. You can clean more space in less time with better results, designed to reduce physical strain and make cleaning effortless. The SAFE-T-IMOP preserves and renews sticky mats, ensuring uncompromised cleaning performance. The SAFE-T-Bot 45, a cobot designed for automatic cleaning in hallways and corridors. It works alongside human cleaners, handling repetitive tasks so they can focus on complex work. The SAFE-T-VAC, the world's first battery-powered clean room vacuum cleaner, ideal for perforated floors, tables, and delicate surfaces. Lightweight, flexible, and powerful, with over 20 kilopascals of suction. It features ULPA 15 filtration, and it runs up to 52 minutes on one set of batteries that you can easily swap for full ones when needed. And together, they truly are the guardians of the clean room. Ready to change the way you think about cleaning.